All right, guys, thanks for joining me here on the Rolling Grill Barbecue. Today's segment is Waste Not, Want Not. We're going to take that smoked chicken that I cooked a few days ago. I'll put the video link right here. And we're going to make some delicious smoked chicken melts with that. Y'all stay tuned. We got some goodies coming up. Yeah, boy! All right, we have our delicious grilled chicken right there on the right and our beautiful smoked chicken right there on the left. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start by chopping up our grilled chicken. No particular size. I just like to cube them up real good. As you can see, it's just a medium-sized dice. All right, next step is removing this skin from the smoked chicken. You don't really want to add it. To me, it doesn't have a good texture and it doesn't really go well in that chicken salad, so just take it off. And some of the chicken will just pull, and then some of it we will put on the chopping block and chop it up as well. Same deal, no particular size, just chop it up as fine as you like. All right, as you can see in the bowl, we have this is our smoked chicken that we chopped and pulled. And on this side over here is our grilled chicken. We had way more chopped chicken, way more smoked chicken than we had grilled chicken. So it doesn't really matter. You cut it to the size you want to. Let's keep it moving. Right here, we have some small diced onions, a little bit of parsley and cilantro. We have some celery leaves, very good stuff. And we have some celery. All of it's going in the bowl. All of it. Next we have some sweet pickles. These are like sweet and spicy pickles. Very good pickles. And some of the pickling juice, we're going to use that as well. In they go. Next we have some of the white remoulade that I made for the smoked chicken. It's got pretty much everything in it that you want in chicken salad. Mayo, mustard, a little bit of this, lemon juice, a little bit of that. So we're going to use that. We're going to use what we have left over. Next I have a stone ground mustard, garlic mustard with some mayo. And we're going to add that. Hit it with some fresh black pepper, cracked black pepper. Hit it with a little bit of my smoked salt. Alright, now it's time to mix. To me, the best tools for mixing are your hands. Put some gloves on though, because this can get quite messy. And as you can see, I think we got just the right amount of mayo to meat ratio, mustard to meat ratio. Everything looks really, really good. We're going to set this to the side, let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Let the flavors kind of get together and hang out, and we'll move on to the next step in the process. To the pan, some good old butter. The next step in this process, this is some good old Italian bread. Use any kind of bread you want. Brioche would be fine. And center mass, we're gonna take our chopped chicken, stack in as much as you want. Make sure you cover all the corners. Cheese, any kind of cheese you like. Your other bun, you're good to go. All right, GBD, golden brown delicious. That's what your bread should be looking like. Nice and golden brown. Flip it over like once or twice. Take that bread, move it around and make sure you suck up all of that good butter. You want to cook it till you get a nice golden brown crust. That's what that butter is going to give you. And you also want to make sure the cheese is somewhat melted. And you just want to cook it for maybe about 5 minutes aside on low heat, just so you can kind of heat through the chicken salad.